Okay, today is May 8th, 2022. It is a Sunday, and today I am going to do this little quick tutorial because I'm trying really hard to not spend 5 hours in Blender. Okay? Especially the day, especially when there's school the next day. So, let me do this. Ready?
Press tab for edit mode. Click this edge selection tool to activate it. Select this particular edge.
Okay. So, tab, second, edge, and then what?
Press Ctrl plus V keys on keyboard and move your mouse down a bit. Without clicking anything, move your mouse wheel up until you get 5 selected faces.
Okay, so Control B. So 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, and then over here, custom.
And press 1.5 on number pad and enter.
Oh no.
Now click this bevel button.
Forgot that part. So let me do this again. So this one, Control B, downwards until I see 5 faces. So 1, 3, 4, 5, and 1.5. And then go back.
Check this custom profile. Click on this drop down and choose steps.
Drop down, steps. What is this? Comic modeling? Comics, ground, support loops, steps.
And finally increase the segments up to 8. And
Interesting. So segments into 8. That doesn't make sense. Why did it do that? Shouldn't it be better? Am I sure? But it doesn't look like that.
press tab to exit edit mode. Click on this drop down and choose steps. And finally increase the segments up to 8. And press tab to exit edit mode. Finally increase the segments up to 8.
It doesn't look like that. Vertices? Oh Jesus. But it doesn't look like it's supposed to look like. I mean, it's like kind of like that, but also not. So maybe, let me just do an extension. So Shift A, cube, tab, edge select, Control B, bring it down. Interesting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I do that, Control B, 1.5. That doesn't make sense. Oh. So I don't think I did it right here. So let me try to do this again. So Shift A, cube, tab, edge select this one, Control B, 1.5, and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why is it like that? Steps. Yeah, that's what it was supposed to be. Oh, I messed up, but okay. Well, I guess I learned how to do stairs. Isn't that nice? Cool. Okay. Let me save this to 5, 8, 22. And then 5, 8, 22 R for render. Control S this and then get out of here. Okay, bye.